Hi everyone, Melissa here. Come on today to tell you about a company called Kokorosa Dyes. They contacted me and asked me if I would like to review their product, and I said yes. So let's jump in. And so I had the option of picking what I wanted from this company. So we are starting out with these dyes here. Maybe I should show you a little close. So this is He Is Risen, Valentine Word Dye, Cross and Heart. And so I got that upside down. Let me turn it the right way. There we go, cross and heart. And so that's one of a few of the sets that I chose there. Then we also have the Twinkle Metal Cutting Die, and this comes with the big sunburst as well as this little starburst there. And then we have the irregular square die background frame, and then I could not find this on their site, but I did get it from their site, and it's a fish. So I might have to contact them and ask them where did the picture go, and maybe they ran out for right now and it's not up there, so maybe that's what it is. But anyways, I got that fish. And then we have the letter. Oops. We have the letter background die here, and this is the rhombus background board dies here. And then this last one, and I didn't realize that I should have picked the coordinating die that goes with this one, but that's okay. I worked it out. Anyways, you can choose one or you can choose both, and I didn't realize I should have chose both, but like I said, I still worked it out. This is called the two rectangular frame dies, so you'll see that on their site, and I'll have everything linked down below if you'd like to go over and check out their store. Now, if you come back, maybe within a few hours or so, or another day, I'll have all of the things that I created with these dies. All right. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.